Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video we're going to reveal to you how you can update the Zen browser to the most recently released version in 2026. So let us dive into this. So updating the Zen browser, or in general any web browser, may help you fix various performance issues, and you can do this without accessing the website. You can do this via your Zen browser directly. Let us show you how. So launch the Zen browser, click into these three dots on the top right, top left, excuse me, and then choose browser settings here at the bottom. In your browser settings, navigate to the general tab here on the left hand side, and here you'll need to scroll all the way down, well, almost all the way down, till to the Zen updates section. Here you will see the currently installed version. You may, for instance, ask Zen to look for updates by clicking into this button, and Zen will then check if your browser version is up to date or not. If it's not up to date, you will see notification here. There is an update that can be downloaded, so you can do that, install it, and update your previous version to, for example, get rid of these performance issues, and so on and so forth. If you'd like to get a better overview of all of your update history, click into this button and you will see the installed updates here, so that you may follow that history and check which update has brought any which update has brought which updates. Sorry, I'm talking too much. So that's it guys, thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed it, got somebody from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.